Namaste. I'm Shashi Sarda from the Yoga Institute. Today, let's talk about perfectionism. How many of y'all call yourself perfectionist? How many of y'all feel that when things are not done absolutely perfect, you're not satisfied? You may lose your sleep also if there's something which is bothering you and you've not done it to the perfection. How many of y'all feel that they struggle with working with people because probably the others are not doing their work so well? Because you expect some kind of perfectionism from them, and obviously they are not able to deliver. How many of y'all feel that because of this whole nature of being perfect or chasing perfection, it troubles you, it stresses you out, it bogs you down? You would rather want to be less perfect or not chase perfection rather than chasing it and then getting troubled by it. Many of you must be stifled by this whole, many of you must be going through this process every single day. Many of us feel that we need to do things in such a way, everything has to be so meticulously planned, everything has to be so beautifully done. Before execution, everything should be just to the perfection. And many a times we have sleepless nights just to get things the way we want it to be. Many a times we force people who probably are not in the same category of chasing to do better with themselves, which is fabulous. It's very good. It's very good to do your work with full planning. It's good to do your work with full planning, with executing it to the T. But in this entire bargain, sometimes we lose a lot of stuff. We lose on peace, we lose on our sleep, we lose on our calmness, because everybody around you may not function the way you or your mind wants them to function. In this entire process of chasing, we sometimes lose out on a lot of. Let's look at the other side of perfection, iteration. Iteration is something in which we want to collectively do things. We do not want to pull in only our ideas. Want to collect ideas from everybody. Listen to everybody. Make mistakes, learn, grow. Again, make mistakes, learn and grow. Isn't this process a little bit more calming? Isn't this process okay? Isn't this process is to be okay with making mistakes, with doing some flaws, learning from them and growing again, rather than doing so much planning, doing so much effort, losing out on a lot of sleep and efforts just to get that perfect work done. Sometimes drop down from this chasing to be the perfect, to get the perfect. Let's try something more collective, more holistic, in which everybody is a group, in which there's not that one perfect leader and rest are followers. There is everybody is a leader and everybody is a follower. A time when you're making mistakes, you're learning from mistakes, you're growing from your mistakes. You're doing it all together. And that's what iteration is all about. Let's bridge the gap between the two. Sometimes maybe making mistakes, falling, growing may take a lot of time and you may get frustrated out of it. But let's bridge the gap between the two. Let's not lose sleep over something which is finally going to end one day. And let's not become lax about something which will make us grow. So a mix of both is a perfect blend. A blend in which you're taking everybody together, everybody is a leader, everybody is growing together, and still we give that perfect and the best result. So try it next time when you're chasing something. Let's take the crowd together. Let's do it with everyone. Let's drop down our cap of perfectionism and let loose, let go, and allow the flaws to happen. Thank you. Namaste.